Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher Fred, the place where all small creators are going to get what they have missed. You are going to learn how social media really works. If you have watched my Kinyarwanda YouTube channel Gatari Fred, you also know how I love to help small creators to grow online. In my country, I have helped more than 1,000 small creators to build their own YouTube channel from zero to successful YouTube channel. That inspired me to help all small creators all over the world that can hear English language. I'm not good in English language, but I'm good in social media management. I will teach you how you can start from zero to hero. Because I have made it on my YouTube channel Gatari Fred, I have helped more than 1,000 small creators. Now they have job in my country, so that today is you. Everywhere you are on this world, listen to me. Give me your few minutes. I will show you how easy to grow your social media by using simple strategies. I will show you in this channel we start together. If you don't have a YouTube channel, I will teach you to create it as a professional. And if you have it but it's still small, don't worry. I will guide you how to grow it organically with your hands and your brain. Don't worry. And if you are big creators but you love to help small creators, be with us. I will show you the strategies, the simple ways. But what I am going to ask you, don't panic, take it easy. To grow a YouTube channel requires strategies, requires patience, requires hard working, but with a clear goal. So if you choose to stay with us, I will change how you think, how you work, and how you have been working from the day one you have started. What I can ask you right now, please start today. I'm going to teach you, first of all, how to choose your clear niche, how to create your own YouTube channel like a pro, how to grow it, how to create a video, how to use AI, and so many things. Please don't hesitate to be with us, because I know you will love this channel. So if you choose to stay with us, check in description. There are two things you are going to find there. First of all, join our WhatsApp group where all small creators will discuss and help each other in that group. You will see the link in description. The secondary, you will see the reference of my Kinyarwanda YouTube channel. Now I have like 87k subscribers, and it is growing very fast because of the strategies I will show you in this English channel. So click subscribe, like, and tell us in the comment if you are ready to be with us in this channel. I'm not going to tell you more. What I'm going to do is to show you the practical and the real advices that will change your life. Let's meet in the first video. This was the introduction. But I'm sorry for my poor English, but I know you will love my knowledge in the social media management. Thank you guys. Let's meet in my next video where we will start our journey of growing organically our YouTube channels. Take care. Bye bye.